Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making chicken korma. So for this we have to make a masala. To take a grinder, put 1 brown cardamom, 3 cloves, 1 small cardamom, half inch of cinnamon, add 1 teaspoon of carve seed, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 bay leaf crushed, 1 green chili, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 1 inches of ginger, and 1 medium size onion. Now add dry masala, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and grind it to a fine paste. Now in a pressure pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, normal refined oil, add half inch of cinnamon, 1 or 2 clove, 1 brown cardamom, little bit of stone flower, 1 star anise and 1 bay leaf, and on a low flame cook it for half a minute till brown cardamom is crackled. Now add 1 medium sized chopped onion and cook it till onion is brown. Once onion is brown, then add the masala. Stir it continuously, properly, and cook till oil is separated. While cooking masala, you can add little bit of water so it cook evenly. Now our masala is cooked, oil is separated. Now add approximately 400 grams of chicken. Put gas on high flame and mix it properly. Cook it for approximately 2 minutes. Then add salt to taste and mix it well and cook for further 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add little water for gravy. Gravy is as per your choice. If you want thin gravy, add more water. If you want thick, then add less water. After putting water, cover it and cook it for 1 whistle. And after 1 whistle, your chicken korma is ready. Garnish with coriander leaf and serve it with naan, rice or chapati, whatever you like.